Hey guys, today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a vegetable kurma for roti or ghee roti at your home. So let's start the recipe. Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a vegetable kurma for roti and parota at your home. So for this recipe, what you need, here I chopped all the vegetables like beans, carrot, cauliflower, and I'm going to add one potato. So here I added one chopped potatoes. Into this I'm going to add little bit of water because we have to cook this vegetable, or you can cook this vegetable in the pressure cooker for one whistle. And I'm going to cover this one with the lid. So before covering this one with the lid, I added 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, that is haldi, and here I am adding some salt, little bit of salt, and I'm going to cover this one with the lid. So here my vegetable is cooking in the kadai, and here I took a non-stick pan. In this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. So here I added 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is little bit hot, we have to add all the masalas. So here I chopped 1 red onion and 2 tomatoes, and here is the cinnamon stick, and here is the star anise, and I'm going to add all these things. First I'm going to add the cinnamon, star anise, and I'm going to add the chopped onion, so this is our weekend lunch. So we have to fry this onion until it becomes brown. So for the grinding masala, here I took some coconut. You can use desiccated coconut or you can use fresh coconut. In this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of couscous, it gives a nice taste in the kurma, and some lavang, and 5 to 7 cashews. So these things I'm going to grind it in the blender by adding little bit of water. So my vegetables is nicely cooked. Hey guys, please don't throw this water. We can use this water into this masala. So my onion is started becoming brown in color. Into this I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste. So we have to fry this ginger garlic paste until the raw smell gone. Already I can feel the smell of the hotel kurma, guys. So if you went to any South Indian hotel, you have to try this kurma, very famous in all the South Indian restaurant. So after adding the ginger garlic paste, I added the chopped tomatoes into this. And we have to cook this one for 5 minutes. So in this I'm going to add this water, guys. So vegetable stock water, I'm going to add this one. I'm going to mix, and I'm going to add some salt as per taste, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. So I added 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and salt as per taste, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and I'm going to add this cooked vegetable into this. So I added the cooked vegetable, and this recipe is for 4 to 5%, guys. So here my coconut gravy is ready, and I'm going to add this one into this. And I'm going to mix these things together. So into this I'm going to add this curd. So before adding the curd, you have to blend it in the mixer. Then add the curd into this kurma. Nice aroma, guys. And we have to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. So after adding the curd, we have to cook for 2 minutes. Then it's time to add some milk. So you can use cold milk or lukewarm milk, any milk. So I added 1 cutlery of milk into this. And in the last, I'm going to add some roasted gram dal powder, that is chutney dal powder. So it's time to add this chutney dal powder. Why we are adding? Because it gives the thickness in this kurma. And I'm going to cook for another 2 minutes. My vegetable kurma is ready to serve. Hey guys, my kurma is ready and it's time to serve in the bowl. Hey guys, this is a quick video of how to make a vegetable kurma at your home for roti or paratha. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.